my videos are not getting views. You can see this video got only the around 20 views, this video got 40 views, this got only the 50 views. But if I scroll down below, you can see the older my videos got, it start getting the views on it. So basically what I use the search engine optimization. I make my videos optimized to rank higher on the YouTube here, and every time people make it search, they find my video and start watching it. So this is the how I am getting the views on my channel, because my channel is hyper targeted for the all the people who are seeking AI or the softwares for their business here. Okay, so that's why I highly reliable on the YouTube ranking. So to make it optimized rank higher on the YouTube, I use the VidIQ. This is the YouTube growth and the SEO tool I mostly use, but I need to pay it around the monthly subscription or the yearly subscription to use this platform here. So recently I have found a really affordable similar tool that is offering the similar features to optimize my videos or making the SEO optimized rank higher on the YouTube here. So this tool is the TubeIQ, and right now it is available on the lifetime deal starting from the just $29. You can connect your YouTube channel, then it is going to show you all of your videos you can optimize. Like you can get the score on your thumbnails and the titles, and instantly you get to know which thing you need to improve to make it rank higher on the YouTube algorithm here. For you can see example, right now this video title has the 70 score out of 100 and the thumbnail is the 61. So I got to know instantly what I need to improve. It's the thumbnail and the title, because the combining both of them make the viewer to encourage them click on your video here. So you can see along with my video score, it is also suggesting me some of the titles that I can use, or I can click here on the suggest title to get me the more ideas. If I go here on the thumbnail, it is showing me all the key points which I need to improve. You can see some of the points are the red, so I need to improve these things in my title so I can make it more clickable or the attracting. Then if I go to this details option, you can see this is the my description here, but if I click here on the optimized description, it is going to make it more optimized, so it can make it more SEO optimized. Then below are the recommended tags. I can simply copy and then paste on my videos tag and my YouTube story. Although tags is the not that kind of the prime thing to optimize your videos, but still it is free, so what ways to using it. Then if I go to the analytics, it is giving me the view count, the duration. This is the normal thing we can also analyze on my YouTube studio, but here's the best part, it is also showing me the keyword that is driving the traffic to this video. And now what I need to do, I have to simply optimize my description and the title according to these keywords so I can get more views out of it. Okay, and if I show you what are the other features, there's also the AI generator. It is going to show you the daily ideas. Along with that, it is also going to show you what are the topics you still need to cover in your channel. And if I go to dashboard, you know what are the your perfect timing to publish video for your channel, you don't know. Okay, but with this tool, it is showing me for today, this is the time frame that I need to publish video, and it will be the right time for me to get most videos views here. Okay, then we have the keyword research, we have the competitors, we can analyze. This is the features, and the same features that I need to pay the lifetime deal here, I am using on the VidIQ with the monthly subscription. That's why I thought why should not create or do a comparison video between both of the tools. Like VidIQ is the really popular YouTube growth or the SEO tool, but TubeIQ is recently launched on the app, so and there are still so many spaces available for the improvement. But if you able to get this tool this early with the lifetime deal, this is the final product in future we can expect here without we need to pay the monthly or the yearly subscription. That's why this video is going to be super helpful for you guys. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I am going to do a detailed comparison between the TubeIQ and the VidIQ here. Right now TubeIQ is available with the lifetime deal starting from the just $29 here, but in the VidIQ, if you are already familiar with this tool, you have to pay the monthly and the yearly subscription. So I'm going to compare all the key features available in the both tools with the ease of use and the interface comparison. Until the end, you will know whether you should get the TubeIQ or you should get the VidIQ with the monthly or the yearly subscription charges. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. If you want a detailed video on the TubeIQ, I have just created it on my YouTube channel. You will find out, or you can simply search the TubeIQ review. You will find my video here. So I have also optimized this video using the TubeIQ to make it rank higher or #1 on the YouTube. So you can also watch this video. So without wasting any more time, let me get started with the both of the tools user interface comparison. So this is a TubeIQ, and you will find we have the daily ideas section available, where we can just get the ideas which you can use to future content planning. Then we have the AI generator available. All you need to just enter your topic you want to create the video. It is going to generate the titles or suggest your titles with the description, with the tags and the script that you can also use. Or there's also the voiceover available. For example, let me go with the fitness. It is going to give me the title and the description, but it takes a little bit time, so we have to wait. Okay, so let me click here on the generate content, wait a little bit, and I will show you how the things work out. And here's the result. You can see I got a really cool title here. Then this is the description. And if you are getting the challenges with the script, don't worry, there's also the script available here that you can use to create your video. Then we have the tags, and there's the also a voiceover available here. Okay, so that's how you can use its AI generator. Then we have the keyword research section available. Here you need to add your just topic keyword, and it is going to suggest you some keywords with the volume and the difficulty, and there you will find the opportunity on which topic you can cover so you can rank higher. Then we have the optimize option available. This is the one of the best option I found on the TubeIQ. Okay, here all you need to just click any of the videos, although you can also get the some insights after clicking on the video. But if you want to get the score, so you can initially get the bird view on of all of your videos. For example, right now this video got the title score is the 70 and thumbnail score is the 61. Right now you can see some below videos I didn't get any score, so I have to click here on the generate score. Okay, so once it is start or done generating the score, I got these kind of the scores on my thumbnail and the title. And if you don't know, thumbnail and the title, what that is, both combining makes the viewer click on your video here. So for example, this video got me the 70 score for the title and the 61. So if I open this one here, I need to improve the video title and the description here. So don't worry, AI is also going to help you in that. Simply click here on the suggest title, and it is going to give you some titles in suggestion that you can use or the optimize. Same thing you can do with the description here. And if I click here on the thumbnail, it is giving me some points which I need to improve to make my thumbnail more applying and the attracting. And if I go to the analytics, you can see it is giving me some keywords that is driving most of the traffic on my views, so I can target these keywords as well in the description and my title here. Then we have the competitor section available, which we can use to monitor our competitors, like how many the views, subscribers they are getting over the time, and then we can compare it. So you can use the as many as competitors you want here. Now let me compare TubeIQ with the VidIQ user interface and the features, and let's find out whether this recently new YouTube SEO tool is really any worth it compared to the VidIQ or not here. So this is the VidIQ dashboard, and this is the front page you are going to see. Here it will show you your latest video, daily video ideas, similar features. Okay, then we have the keyword research, we have the thumbnail section available, we have the outlines, ideas, and there's also the AI generator available that you can use to generate the titles, script or the video. This similar feature we have found in the TubeIQ. So this is the makes clear that TubeIQ is coming with all the similar features that we need to pay the every month in the VidIQ here. Okay, so now let me go to this optimize option available, and here again it is going to show me all of my videos. First you need to connect your YouTube channel with the VidIQ or the TubeIQ to see these videos here. Okay, so let me open any of the video. Let me open this one, and now it is giving me the details like the description. So with the single click I can regenerate this description here, or I can also redefine. Same thing I can do with the title. It is also giving me the score for my title. Similar feature we can also see in the TubeIQ. So I suggest that TubeIQ really doing good, offering the similar features here. Okay, now let me talk about the other features, like it is also suggest me some titles, or I can regenerate titles here. Then we have the thumbnail. Okay, in the thumbnail I am not getting any score, or what are the things I need to improve. So here's the TubeIQ has the one extra advantage on your thumbnail suggestion here. Okay, then let me close this one and go to the next feature, that is the generate. So here you need to just add your topic, and after that it is going to generate title, script or the description. Then we have the dedicated feature available for the thumbnail. So quickly analyze your video without uploading. So I have to upload the thumbnail. Okay, this is going to create the thumbnail, not going to optimize or give me the score on my thumbnail. It is going to create the thumbnail with the help of AI. So no matter high quality AI or any image generator you use, you cannot generate the attracting or the some clickable thumbnails, because that needs creativity, and right now there is no AI tool that can make it happen. Then we have the keyword research section available. And let me tell you, I am a really big fan of the VidIQ keyword research section here, because it's give me so many good insights. Let me give you the information. Let me search here just the SEO keyword, and this is my prime topic keyword. Suppose I want to do a video on the SEO, so simply I will search, and here this is giving me the information. You can see it has the overview on this particular keyword, what are the related keywords, the matching keywords, questions, and if you scroll down below, there are also top trending videos on this topic keyword here. So this is the big thing you can do with the keyword research. And let me tell you clear, VidIQ keyword research is the much more advanced and the superior compared to the TubeIQ here. This new tool still needs so many improvements here. Let me give you the example. Suppose I search the same keyword here, SEO, and click here on the keyword. First of all, it takes so much time compared to the VidIQ to give me the insights, and even after waiting that, you can see I am not getting that much of the data. That's why I am telling you TubeIQ keyword research section still needs a lot of the improvements, and in future we can sure see that here. So this is all the keywords here, but this is the not type of the keywords I want to target. You can see all Korea, see all market. I don't want that. I want the search engine optimization like that. The VidIQ keyword research option is just understand better here. Okay, and now let me talk about the other big disadvantage in the TubeIQ is that to get the difficulty and the search volume, I have to click here on the analyze button here. So clicking one by one all these keywords to get the data is a little bit effortful and tedious task here. Okay, that's why I mostly loved here in the VidIQ keyword research section. Then we have the other features as well, like the outlines options available. Then we have the ideas. It is going to show you the ideas, daily ideas, basically the similar features that we have in the TubeIQ. Okay, so you can just research or save these ideas for your future content. Then we have the coach option available. Basically it is going to teach you about the YouTube algorithm and the SEO. You can also chat with its AI to get the answers precisely to your questions here. So this is the VidIQ. Its user interface is pretty much really easy to use and easy to understand, although you still need to play a little bit. Same thing you can see with the TubeIQ. Here you will find out the horizontal menu on the top of that. Using any of that, you can go to your dedicated feature here. So I hope you got the both tools covered in this comparison here. Now let me compare here which tool you should use here. So if you want the advanced features like the keyword research here, then I suggest VidIQ is the best and there is no match, but you have to pay the monthly and the yearly subscription charges to use these features here. But if you want to only optimize your videos for the keyword in the titles or in your description, or you want to get the score on your title and the thumbnail and with the single click you can optimize that, then TubeIQ although is the new, but I really impressed with the its performance here. Same thing you can do here on the its daily ideas. You can see it is giving me the really good ideas for my future content I can cover for my channel. This is the really good feature. I am also impressed with that. Then the next thing is its AI generator. Although it's taking a little bit time, but the description and title it's given me, I'm really surprised with the topic keyword and the title. I am really happy. This makes me really click on this video or want to know more or want to watch this video. This is what good title about here. And if I go to dashboard here, you see there's this goal option available that lets you know what things you need to do if you want to achieve your goals. The goals can be your like increase your subscribers, views, or the watch hours. For me, I want to improve my retention rate, so I have selected that, and based on that it has given me the recommendation, the top videos, and these are the recommendations what I need to do to improve my retention rate. And it is also suggesting me what kind of the content I need to create or focus here. So that is another good part what I also liked here on the TubeIQ. So now let me compare the both of the tools pricing. So right now TubeIQ is available with the lifetime deal, and in the VidIQ you have to pay the monthly and the yearly subscription prices. So clearly TubeIQ is the more affordable here in the feature, that is the 90% compare or similar to the VidIQ here, and I'm paying just the one-time payment here. So that's why I suggest TubeIQ is the best if you want something with the one-time payment and you are the beginner and you want to do the stuff here, then TubeIQ is really good here. Okay, now let me talk about the other thing as well. Like in the VidIQ you will also find a Chrome extension that is the working on the YouTube anywhere, whether it's your youtube.com or your YouTube studio. You can see this is the extension I am talking about. Here in the TubeIQ there is the no Chrome extension available, although in their roadmap they have mentioned then in the future they are going to launch their Chrome extension as well. So in the future we can see that. You can, let me show that. You can see AI generated thumbnails. We are also going to see, we are going to see the other features. Let me show you this. Where's the Chrome extension? Yeah, you can see YouTube Studio video optimization browser extension. This thing is also we are going to see in the future, so you can check it out, its roadmap, if you want to know what are the big features we are going to see in the coming months. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about, and in my suggestion you should definitely get out the TubeIQ, because in the future this is going to be not in the lifetime deal, and this is the right chance you get it and invest your money for your bright future. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.